The things in the painting color each other. Why do we draw like that? The main source of light on Earth is the sun. It shines with white light. But this is not the case. Isaac Newton in 1666 passed a beam of sunlight through a glass prism. And the white sunbeam turned into a multicolored one. This experiment showed that sunlight that we think is white is actually made up of rays of different colors. When the rays hit the surface, they bounce off it. We see reflected light. But the rays bounce off different surfaces in different ways. Some surfaces absorb some rays, others reflect. The surface begins to glow itself, reflected, most often diffused light. But the color of this reflected light will no longer be white. It will match the color of the rays reflected by the surface. We see color. Why do the objects in the picture color each other? Let's take a white sphere. Place it next to the red surface. When the rays of white light reach the red surface, only the red component of the white rays is reflected from it. The surface shines with a red light. Red light falls on a white sphere. We see a patch of red light on a white sphere. This red spot is called a reflex. If in very bright sunlight, a white object is placed on a red background, due to a strong reflex, a white object in the shade will be colored into a red background color. The fewer beams of direct light hit the object, the stronger the reflex is visible. Therefore, the reflex is most visible in the darkest part of the shadow. Reflexes of different colors are reflected from different surfaces. It is because of reflexes that all objects in the picture color each other.